Hey, welcome to another Heavy Metal Diecast video. Today's example here we have is a Penrite ZB Commodore. It's from the 2020 Bathurst 1000. This particular car was driven by David Reynolds and Will Brown, and as of recording this in 2022, we know David Reynolds is racing Mustangs now, and Will Brown has his own Erebus race car himself. So what we'll do is we'll get this bad boy open and have a look. As it says, it's a sealed body, which means no opening doors or bonnet or anything like that. So there's a little certificate, I suppose, there, and a little aerial there. So this sealed, what we'll do is we will endeavour to undo these screws, because they hold the car in place through transit. Not sure if I've got it all, so bear with me for 1 second. I could use an electric one, but it's too bulky, it's a pain in the ass to use, so we'll hopefully have all these done now. I'll get the lady out. Well, that's pretty good with the soft part of the blade, it cuts straight through anyway. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll open her up and reveal her honor of glory. A bit of foam there, so no damage. I thought it was something broken on there. Hopefully it all lifts out. I think Right, there's going to be one that's been a pain in the arse. And there we go. So that's the beast there. I don't know if you can see it too clearly there, but it's a reasonably presentable model. It's in its correct livery. It's got very, very good details. As you can see, we're outside as per usual, and there's definitely some very, very good sort of detail on the exterior. Obviously you can't open the inside or anything like that, but you can see the brakes, the tyres do rotate. They do feel a soft type of rubber compound. The underneath of the car, you can see it's got some undercarriage detail, not a huge amount. It's just sort of moulded on there. Doesn't go all the way into the vehicle itself, like if it was a full opening and closing door model. So being a sealed body, they can afford less detail and hence a bit of a cheaper price. But the unit itself, it's quite solid and 1/8 scale, so it is quite large. And I do like my 1/18 die-cast cars. And I was a big fan of David Reynolds when he was driving for Penrite. I am a Holden person, so when he did change to Mustangs, yeah. But I follow Holden, so I bleed red. I'm not a blue oval, so the majority of my die-cast collection is Holden or Chevrolet or things like that, so I don't have too many Fords in my collection. But as you can see, the detail on the back is quite good. Sorry about the squeak of the box, but I will move that box to the side. We'll go to the other side of the vehicle. I mean, for what it is, it's pretty cool. Sealed body. Yeah. As I said, I think I said I paid $189 or $190 to my door. That was including the post. I bought it from an Australian seller. Yeah, I think it's a pretty decent example. I like the colours. I really like the colour scheme. I love it. I was a big fan of the colour scheme there. That livery was really good. It was the one the year before. I like when David Reynolds won Bathurst. That livery was really nice. So maybe one day, hopefully, we'll get that into my collection. But yeah, overall, it's a pretty well detailed model. if I stop smacking the camera. But yeah, as you can see, it's quite detailed. It's got all the correct stenciling as far as I'm aware. Bonnet pins, Holden badge on a ZB, but you know, well, we won't start talking about ZBs, will we? But yeah, so that's it. So the 2020 Bathurst 1000 ZB Commodore is driven by David Reynolds and Will Brown by Authentic Collectables. So 1/18 scale, very tidy unit. If you don't have one, get one. I reckon they're pretty cool. For the price, it's not too bad. So yeah, as per usual, I will chuck some close-up videos of the car after the video. So yeah, stick around and have a look at those without my sausage fingers in the way. And yeah, give us a like if you enjoyed this video at all. And yeah, thank you once again for watching, and have a awesome rest of your day. Cheers.